Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Elery with Porterant Solar. So today we're going to talk about our job here in the city of Laguna Hills. Laguna Hills is in the city of Orange County, and this is our installation for today. So with that being said, let's do this. Just going to quickly walk through what all the materials are. Since we're at the ground level, we've got our PV-EMT conduits, and these are the solar edge power optimizers. And these are the optimizers that make the solar panels intelligent. And over here at the 12 o'clock position, we've got the main service panel. These are the current breakers. And right over here at the 1 o'clock position, we've got our solar edge inverter. And for those of you who don't know what the inverter is, that is the equipment that converts DC to AC. And right in front of us is the solar modules. These are manufactured by LG. It is all black with black frame, black white sheet, black back sheet. Standard 60 cell residential solar panels. Like these LG panels, they look very aesthetic on the roof. And they're black on black. I've seen some modules that are made for commercial with a silver frame or with a white back sheet, but this is completely all black. All right, and then the array is back here. We are currently facing south. So we've got the array back there. And here's another array. It's facing southwest. Let's quickly take a look. And we're walking on shingles. Notice that most of these houses in this neighborhood have shingles. Those are beautiful shingles. These are a little thicker. They look like architectural shingles. We've got shingles, shingles, and shingles here. Oh, it appears that this house is the same model as this house. Oh, and if you can see the difference, these modules, I'll do a comparing later on, but these are blue, or they look blue, for the fact that those are polycrystalline panels and not mono, and they have a white back sheet. But let's look what we got here. Got the shingles and the footings and the rail.
CW wants to send you and a friend to the iHeartRadio Music Festival in Las Vegas. Enter now at iHeartRadio.com/the-CW. And Sunday nights are about to get crazy. That's so crazy. Don't miss the incredible series premiere.
These roofs are very good.
Real 92.3.
Great shape.
Dr. Michael is Southern Cali's official booty doctor. Hit him up for Brazilian butt lifts and hourglass body sculpting. Get started today at buttsbydesign.com or 1-833-MY-BOOTY or on the gram at SoCal Plastic Surgeon.
Let's get back to that hip-hop.
LA's new home for hip-hop. Real 92.3.
All right, coming up, Kanye Heartless, Post Malone, Goodbyes, Mustard Amigas, Pure Water, and your chance to see
Got some music in the background today.
In September, 3 songs away. Good luck.
And here's the back of the house. Oh, one of the reasons why we installed. I'll turn the volume down a little bit. Hey boss, turn down the volume a little bit, okay? Thanks, man. If I put this up on YouTube, I'm gonna be flagged, you know, with the music. All right, so what we have here is we have designed this solar system. We could have put all the array actually here in the back, but we chose not to. The reason being is these trees, while they don't really affect shading because the sun will be up, these trees might grow 20 to 30 years from now, and we don't know what that would happen. I know that we've got this tree right here. Underneath this array is the master bedroom. And the best location for solar panels would be here on this side. And while it's on the array there facing southwest, we don't have to worry about any trees that will be shading this area right here. We've got these footings, and it's mounted onto the rails. Got a nice breeze right too. And once this project is complete, guys, I will be posting the time-lapse video. I've got one channel here, this is facing this array, and I've got that camera, it's facing that array. So I'll be able to see a 2 or 3 minute time-lapse of the installation. So that's for our installation today. I will be taking more videos later on as we progress through the installation. The next step would be installing the power optimizers, then the wiring, and then we're going to run a EMT conduit all the way to the main service panel. So I'll see you guys again on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Elery with Porter and Solar.